Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Fabfitfun style unboxing. I have done this once before on my channel. If you're interested, I can put a little card up here if you want to see the first one to see whether I kept anything. That will be linked up there, and I can put it in the description box down below if you want to see that one. So for some reason I had a styling credit in my Fabfitfun account. I happened to be just looking around inside my account and all that stuff, and I saw I had a free styling pass, so I decided I would try this video again. Normally the styling fee is $20. If you keep anything, you get to put that $20 towards the item you kept, and then if you buy everything that's in the box, you get, I think, 20% off, if I remember correctly. On the Fabfitfun website, there's like a style profile you can fill out. If you hate certain colors, you can put that. You can link to like Instagram, your Instagram, things like that, so they can see what you like to wear currently. You can go very in-depth, or you can be less specific. I'm less specific. I don't post a ton on Instagram, so I don't know if they're going to find fashion inspiration on my Instagram. So I decided, you know, I fill out what I could fill out, but my Instagram is not going to be very inspirational for you. Yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up and see what we got. And then after we look at everything in here, I will try it all on and we'll see if I'm going to keep anything, what I think of the stuff, that sort of deal. So let's just go ahead and open this up. It comes with everything wrapped in tissue paper. This box is very giant and I don't feel like lifting it up, but everything's wrapped in tissue paper. So I'll just pull out the first thing I see right on top. Also wrapped in tissue paper. So this is some sort of purse. Okay, so this is from Antic Craft. I can't read that name. Antic Craft, I think. This is the Eleanor braided crossbody in tan. This is actually super cute. I actually really like this. So it does have a little strap that's in there. I don't know if I want to unstrap it because I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I'll debate on that. But it is like super cute and definitely my style. I like that a ton. Okay, I can also give you the values and everything here because there is a little card right here that tells me the values of everything. So this purse retails for $52. So a little bit expensive, but not too bad, honestly. I don't think that's too expensive for what this is. So yeah. Okay, so let's rip into everything else. All the clothing's wrapped separately. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out right on top is a shirt right here. This is from the brand Fate. It's like black with multicolored stripes in there, like, and they're one of them silver and sparkly. And then it also is ribbed. I'm not sure if you can tell that. The ribbing is going that way. So, looking at this, I kind of hate it. This is definitely not my style. I don't mind stripes. I actually love stripes. I just feel like this is very youthful for me. I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. Let's see. It is valued at 20 bucks. So not too bad actually in price. I don't think the price is bad at all. I just don't know if I love it. And the size on this is a small. So yeah. I should mention, you'll see my body shortly, but I'm small on top and big on the bottom. I'm like a pear shape is what you would say. Okay, so let's see. Next thing I have is from Willow and Clay. This is also in a small. This, I don't know what this is. It's like buttoned right here, but then there's no more buttons on it. It's almost like a shawl sort of deal, but it's got like a collar and sleeves. Don't love that either. I don't mind the print and the color. Those are fine. I just don't like the style of it. So we'll see how it looks once it's on. But first glance, not a fan. And it is valued at... It retails for $69. Oh. So let's see. The next thing I have is... something... Okay, so this, I think, is a dress. So yeah, this is a dress. It is also ribbed down the front. It is in a size medium. This is a Jamie knit tank dress from Maddie M. It's got like this right here where it looks like it's like waist defining, but it's actually attached to the dress. So I feel like this has been to many people's houses. It's got a lot of animal hair, not animal hair, but just like lint and stuff on it. So I feel like many people have tried this on and many people may have passed on it. It doesn't look too bad though. We'll see how it looks on my body shape. It is 58 bucks. So it actually feels nice quality. So I don't know if it's worth 58 bucks, but it doesn't seem too overpriced. Okay, so the next thing I have looks like a pair of jeans. There they are. So they're just blue denim, and then they're like frayed at the bottom right there. They are from the brand Free People, and they are in a size 28, which is generally a size 6, which is, I'm like a 6 in jeans that stretch, and I'd probably be an 8 if jeans had no stretch. So these definitely have stretch. They kind of look small though, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I have this struggle because of my big ol' butt. Finding jeans that work well for me is a little bit difficult. So, and the jeans are 78 bucks, so a little bit more than I pay for jeans. I normally pay around the $50 mark, but maybe they'll be amazing. I guess it is a jegging I should add. It feels more like a jean though. I mean, it feels like a thicker jean, so Okay, the last item I have is a pair of like linen shorts. They are in a size medium. This is also from the brand Maddie M. Okay, so I don't know. I'm not really a shorts person, but we'll see. They feel okay. They feel like quality. The waistband stretches, so, I don't know. We'll see how that works out. And they are 54 bucks, so definitely something I would not pay for shorts. I pay that for jeans, probably not shorts. Okay, so that's everything we got in here. The total of everything in here is $331. If I buy it all, it would be $228. So I don't think that's too much for 5 pieces of clothing and a purse. I don't really think that's too expensive. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try it all on now. Okay, so the first thing I tried on was that shirt. I don't love it. I don't love the sleeve length. I don't know, it's just not for me. It's just not my style, and I knew when I opened it up I wasn't gonna like it. The jeans are too small. Like, I have a little room, but it's like, ooh, these are not my perfect fit. They actually look better on camera than they feel. Like, I feel like I am gonna burst out of these things. So, I don't know. And I don't love like this thing, the fraying on the bottom. Not a fan of that. I don't feel good in this outfit. Let's just say that. It's just not, it's not doing anything for me. So there's that. I'll show you the back side of the jeans. There's like a side view. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't like them. Okay, so now I have on the shorts. I just threw on a little tank top so I didn't have to wear that other shirt. So the shorts, they're okay. Josie, stop licking me. Stop licking me. It's not about you. They are a little big, which is the problem I find with being bottom heavy, is like my waist is pretty small. My hips are huge. So when I have to buy bottoms to fit my hips, which these are looser, so I am trying to fit the bottom half, I lose this on the top. So I don't know if they're my perfect fit. I don't know. I don't love them. And they're like bunching up, and I don't know. Just not for me, for my body. So they are comfortable. They feel nice. But I don't know if I'd pay, what was it, like 54 bucks? 50 something bucks? I don't think I'd pay that for shorts. So these are gonna be a pass for me. I slipped on my normal jeans. This is actually cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I still don't think it's my style, but I don't think it's bad looking. Like, it's not The worst, I think what I hate is the fringe on it. If it didn't have that, it might be okay, but like the whole like sleeve button up sort of feel with it, I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, it looks okay, but I'm not in love with it. Not the worst thing though. So what did you think? Let me know. All right, so the last thing I have is the dress. It's like not forgiving at all in this area. Like I have a little bit of a pooch and it's really being highlighted by this dress. I don't love the way it looks in the front. I don't know. It just is really highlighting the flab on my stomach, and it's just not something I personally want to highlight. So I think it's cute otherwise. Maybe if I wore like shapewear under it, which is not the most comfortable thing, maybe it would look cute then. I don't know though, that like, and you can see like my underwear. I don't know. Not a fan of this. Let me grab the purse though, because I want to see how that looks. Alright, so here's the purse. I definitely enjoy the purse. I think it's super cute. I feel like it's big enough for everything I would need to put in it. I don't know, I might keep the purse. I think I definitely might keep it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Obviously, it does not go great with this dress, but I think for like an everyday look where you're just wearing like jeans and a t-shirt and some like sandals or something, like this is really cute for that. But I would love to know what you guys think. I don't know, I might be keeping this purse. Okay, so now that I've tried everything on, I know what I'm keeping. I am definitely keeping the bag. That's the only thing I'm keeping. That's the only thing I even considered keeping. Nothing else really wowed me. The red plaid thing was sort of cute, but it wasn't, I don't think it's worth that. So that's why I didn't keep that. And I don't know, it wasn't my vibe. So I have this envelope here for FedEx. Everything else I don't want is in here. I just seal it off and then I drop it off at FedEx, and then I go online and to my Fabfitfun account and I basically check what I'm keeping and pay for the item I'm not going to keep. So the $20, even though I didn't pay the $20, I'm pretty sure that styling credit goes towards that bag, so I'm going to be paying 32 bucks for it. So not too bad. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there and let me know. Should I try another styling box? I would definitely try one if you guys want me to. But you just have to let me know. So if you want to see another trying on, I could do like Stitch Fix or something, let me know and I will give that a try too. Okay, that's all I have. Bye guys.